Oh, good morning, I guess you would say. It is August the 5th. It is 1 a.m. The recliner grabbed me and I fell asleep. Tom just woke me up and went, oh no, okay. Here we go. These are earthquakes that happened since the regular earthquake report I did until just recently, okay? There was a 4.9 southern East Pacific rise, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 2.9 upgraded to a 3.6 to Senja Islands, Greece at 37.2 miles in depth. A 4.7 Vanuatu Islands at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.5 Rat Island, Aleutian Islands region, that came in 94 miles south of Little Sitkan Islands at 6 miles in depth. A 3.6. Now guys, this 3.6 is Yellowstone area, just as long as you know this. But they've got it Montana, 1 mile northwest of Manhattan, Montana, at 3 miles in depth. A 3.2 Haiti at 14.9 miles in depth. A 3.1 Alaska Peninsula. They had it 53 miles west-southwest of Larsen Bay at 35 miles in depth. Here's a new place for you. A 4.3 Cuba region. Okay, they've got that at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 upgraded to a 3.9 Salta, Argentina. That came in at 118 miles in depth. Wait a minute. Yeah, 118 miles in depth. A 3.7 Haiti, which came in at 19.2 miles in depth. Another earthquake in Montana, a 3.3, 2 miles west of Manhattan, Montana, at 3 miles in depth. A 4.3 off the shore of Macho Cana, and then that's Mexico, all right? That came in at 1.8 miles in depth. A 3.1, the Gulf of Alaska, 155 miles southeast of Kodiak at 22 miles in depth. A 4.9, Vanuatu Islands. Now, I checked on the USGS, the EMSC. EMSC did no upgrades or downgrades. It was just strictly a 4.9, they said, at 64.6 miles in depth. A 4.7 Halmera at 73 miles in depth. A 3.0 off the shore of Chile at 22.9 miles in depth. A 3.2 Chile at 67.1 mile in depth. A 3.7 southern Sumatra, Indonesia at 6 miles in depth. A 3.2 Antofagasta, Chile at 77.0 miles in depth. Alright guys, that is your late midnight report at 1 o'clock. God bless each and every one of you. You guys are just totally awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and please be safe out there. Sweet dreams. Dream softly. Have a great night, guys. I'll be back in the morning with the morning report.